Hello, my name is Toby Paik, and today is a very special day because I got myself a new hair gel from Aveda Men. It's called Pure Performance Grooming Clay, and I think it's working pretty well so far. Let me know what you think. And I also got a new gear from Universal Audio. I think I just lost about 30 followers from that comment, about my hair gel comment. But anyway, got this from Sweetwater. Thank you for helping me out. Big thanks to Joe Schaefer, sales engineer, who always hits me up with the best deal in town, as they say. Universal OX Amp Box, I'm pretty sure it's what it's called. So without further ado, let's unbox this, shall we? It's a big box. It's bigger than I thought. Thank you note from Sweetwater. Oh, they give you like stickers now. Didn't know that. Now I can stick this onto my laptop and flex hard. Thank you very much, Joe. He even included a cable because I pretty much begged him to give me some goodies for free. Free stuff is always good, so thank you, Joe, again. And here is... I need to go to the gym. In here is another box. Even some candies. There's another box in here, guys. Okay, so hopefully this should be it right here. Looks like I bought like a very high-end stereo system or something. OX Amp Top Box, the ultimate tone from your tube amp, anywhere, at any volume. Okay. There's another box in here, guys. Show you what's happening here. It's another box inside a box. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes so far. Oh, this is just like a manual, cables and stuff, I'm assuming. And then inside here, we've got the actual thing. It better be anyway, because I'm getting a little fed up now from unboxing. Okay, there we go. You see it now? Empty box here. There we go. It's like an old TV set from the 50s, just to confuse my grandpa. Why is the channel not changing? Because it's an amp box, Grandpa. Okay. What's this? It says natural mineral desiccant. It says do not eat here, in case people get hungry while doing these unboxing videos. Yeah, I'm getting pretty hungry. Burnt a lot of calories just by unboxing 4 boxes right now. It's got a nice vintage feeling to it. So let's see what's in here. Bunch of safety information that I'm looking forward to reading. Rig control, CAD mic presets, free OX software, yes, so you can download a software on your iPad and you sort of like change the parameters and settings through your iPad, which I'm very looking forward to trying out. Amp top box, that goes just basic stuff. I got this. I know how to read. I think. I hope. So in here, there's all these cables, like I assumed. This is the power adapter, I'm assuming, and power cable. Yeah, so they didn't include a line jack, which thankfully Joe from Sweetwater included for me. It's I believe it's a 3-foot cable, which should be fine, I hope. But yeah, there we go. That's pretty much it. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, so we're going handheld mode here. This looks like wood. Didn't know that. It's a nice touch, I think. I like it. It's like an old Chevy like pickup truck or something. I'm not even sure what I'm saying. Universal Audio. It says rig. It's like turning on an old oven. Room. Volume. Line out and headphone jack. Back here, it's quite interesting to me because it's like there's both writings upside down as well, like so you could actually like flip this in some cases, I suppose. I'm not really sure. Power switch here, USB inputs, I've got like 3. Foot switch, 2 speaker from amp, 4, 8, 16 options here. Not really sure what any of this is, to be honest. I'm not an expert. Now we can finally hook this up to my Marshall cab here. Okay, so I just connected my OX box to my Mac, installed the software, and now I'm updating the firmware. Took me a while to figure this out because I am terrible with technology. I don't know anything about it. Yeah, followed the manual, thank goodness for that. Hooked it up to my cabinet. Well, not my cabinet, my head. It's not plugged in, it's not turned on right now, but I just plugged in the cables. Should be ready to go in a moment, so we shall see what happens. Right then, after about 15 minutes of trying to figure everything out on how to plug in everything, I think I finally figured it out. Currently going through my Kerry King signature Marshall head through the OX box, the aux box, whatever you want to call it. I don't think this USB thing does anything, so I'm just going to unplug this because that failed. Connected it to my hotspot via my Mac Mini. Power cable plugged in here. 16 ohms. 16 ohms because that's the only ohms I know. If you have any other suggestions, do let me know. Plugged into the amp. From the amp, line out. Going through my Motu interface back there. Interface that I've been using for about 5 years now. It's been going strong. And here's the front panel. Really like the design. I'm just getting more and more used to it. Kind of looks a little out of place with my desk and everything, but oh well, we'll sort something out. Speaker volume is about here. Line out volume about here. I was wondering why there was no sound, but I realized you actually have to turn this like up quite a bit, so unless I'm doing something wrong, do let me know. And the rig, Then here I installed the software for the OX box. This is amazing actually. I am looking forward to playing around with all the settings here, but for now it's in a default factory setting, which is the Ento Recto Sand Matte, which I'm assuming it's based off of the Metallica's Enter Sandman guitar tone cabinet settings. So that's factory setting here. So there we go. And yeah, apparently it looks like this. And you can sort of change the microphones that you want to use, which is crazy. There's like a lot of options here. I am so looking forward to playing around with all of these, like changing the settings and everything. All these cabinet settings here as well. EQ, you can actually like play around with the EQ here. Limiting amp. God, there's just so many stuff. Delay, plate reverb, just looks awesome. You can turn this on and off like that, as if you're actually using the actual physical thing. It's crazy. Also, you can install this on your iPad or iPhone as well. So looking forward to getting my iPad on this thing. That's gonna change my recording life forever. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the interface so far. Guys, there's just so much stuff I want to figure out. So this is the rig, I'm assuming. So like you can just like switch these around with this rig knob here. So if you turn this, it changes with what I'm doing here. So it's like switching around through all these default settings here, which is just crazy. I'm gonna have so much options and so much fun with this, like a nerd. God, all my friends are gonna leave me, but who cares? I've got the new OX amp box, so I'm happy, perfectly happy in my home. So there we go. Without further ado, let's just test this out with the Sandman option, if I can find it.
My whole squad's in here walking around the party, a cross between a zombie apocalypse and Bobby the Rainian, which is probably the same reason I wrestle with Rainian shakies and his bitch I'm posse to consider it to cost me a costly mistake if they sleeping on me to hope that I get insomnia, ADHD, hydroxy cut, test the capacity. When an AK melee finish said it like a play date, then a vacate, retreat like a vacate mayday. This beat is cray cray, Ray J, EJ, 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 laughing all the way to the bank, I spring flames, taking that team, I placate the monster.
Thanks to the OX amp box, now I don't need this anymore. I don't need this 4x12 cabinet anymore. I mean, it's not like I'm gonna play Wembley anytime soon, so I can just get rid of this, or I literally just use it as a little stand to put stuff on. And I can look hip because it's got the Marshall logo on it, and all my friends and people who don't know anything about guitars are gonna visit my room and they're gonna be like, oh wow, you must be a cool person because you have a Marshall speaker. Can we play some house music on this? You know? So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching till the end. If you did manage to stay till the end, you may as well click like and subscribe if you haven't already. With all these unboxing, I unboxed like 3 boxes and this heavy equipment. It was a lot to handle physically. I'm just gonna drink some water, lots of water, and just take a nap. So thanks for watching. This thing is literally gonna change my life, my guitar recording life, because now I don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on cabinets, and I don't have to worry about scaring off the neighbors getting yelled at from people across the street because I often stay up late. Now I can just rock out with any amp settings and cabinets. Now that I've got all the amp limitations out of the way, now I can start buying more guitar heads, which will then cost me thousands and thousands of dollars. And I won't be able to pay my rent, my student loans anymore, but I can still get more guitar amps and guitar heads. And that's worth it, right? Anyway, thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions on what amp I should get next to hook up to this thing right here, do let me know in the comment section. Well, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Peace.